everyone. Welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you quick and healthy spinach salad. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. And those are the ingredients I will be using. I have spinach, raisin, nuts, sliced tomatoes, sliced onion, bell peppers. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. To make the salad dressing, I will need lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, honey, and Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to add everything in a bowl. Stir it until everything dissolves. Don't forget to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Now I am going to combine the dressing with the salad. This is healthy and beautiful. Look at this. This is nice and colorful. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.